Do you love crispy shrimp chips? What if I told you you could make them at home in just 10 minutes?
Today, I take on the challenge of making crispy shrimp chips with rice paper. What will happen? Let's find out.
Here we have some large deveined shrimp. With a knife, press down with the flat side to slightly flatten each shrimp. Repeat with the rest. Season the shrimp with salt and white pepper. One of the most asked questions is where to buy rice paper. It's available in most Asian supermarkets in the dry noodle section. Use kitchen shears to cut each sheet into quarters. Do the same with all of them. Lay a piece of rice paper flat. Position a flattened shrimp in the center and the tail on the outside. Cover it up with another piece of rice paper and press down gently. And repeat with the rest of the shrimp and rice paper. To make the dipping sauce, in a small pot over medium heat, combine the water, rice vinegar, ketchup, sugar, and salt. Whisk. Bring it to a simmer and pour in the cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Stir until it is thickened. In a wok over high heat, add the oil and heat it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 191 degrees Celsius. Here's a cooking trick I love. Add a pinch of salt to the oil to prevent splattering. It works like a charm. Carefully place the shrimp chips inside, a few at a time. Deep fry for about 1 minute until they are crispy and the shrimp turns pink. Remove and drain. Do the same with the rest. Just take a bite and you'll be amazed at how crispy and delicious they are. It's so satisfying to know that you can make something this delicious in just a few minutes. Remember to pair the shrimp chips with lots of healthy vegetables.
They are shockingly crispy and pair perfectly with the sweet and sour sauce. And by the way, have you seen my rice paper flour chips? So delicious. You can check out the video right here. There's so many different ways to make rice paper. What is your favorite way? Comment below and share with us. And subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!